Hello, my name is Skylar Webb and I will be presenting the Murmur Pro application for you today. The Murmur Pro application is for educational purposes only. It is for medical professional and nurses alike. It is produced by HippoSoft LLC and it is only available for purchase on the iOS system, meaning it's only for iPhones and iPads. Costs about $2.99 on the App Store. Here on the left side of the screen, you can see the logo that will present for it. The purpose of this application is to help educate nurses and other medical professionals on what heart murmurs sound like. Heart murmurs are unique and they are not always easy to hear, nor are they very common for nurses and professionals to hear. By providing the education needed to help recognize a murmur, it better prepares medical personnel in identifying and treating murmurs. According to Harvard Medical School, only about 10% of adults and 30% of children have harmless heart murmurs. However, it is noted in their studies that heart murmurs can indicate structural abnormalities within the heart or be an indication of abnormal blood flow or connection between the heart and the vessels. It's important that nurses know how to identify these things because it helps with treatment by identifying patient changes quicker, allowing for treatment of the murmur to begin quicker if needed, as well as makes the nurse more attuned to heart abnormalities and expands the nurse's knowledge. All right, when using the app, you immediately open it and it starts playing an audio clip of a normal heartbeat. Once you have it open, it will have a list of 23 different heart murmurs in an organized list, as you can see on the left side of the slide here, and it will have the different types of heart murmurs and where they can be heard. And when you click on it, the audio clip will start to play and it will indicate on the audio bar with slim gray bars where the heart murmur is in the heartbeat. It's very important to see that because I know that for a lot of people, visualizing it is super important. This app also lets you heart and favorite different types of murmurs so you can go back and see the ones that you really want to focus on, and it lets you test your knowledge. It helps create quizzes through either multiple choice and or free text questions. The app also offers information on cardiac exam, including where to hear specific sounds of the heart, what part of the stethoscope to use on the heart, and how the murmurs can be described. In the center here is going to be the first information that you can see on the cardiac exam, and the second image that comes up with that next to it is actually how you can describe the heart murmurs, including the timing in the cycle, whether it's systolic, diastolic, how intense, the location of the chest at max intensity, the shape of the murmur, duration, the quality, how it sounds, and the pitch. And this is very important when I'm identifying heart murmurs. As mentioned previously, this is a very user-friendly app and people with very little technical abilities can use this. The app, like I said previously, also has two different types of questions. So we have the multiple choice type or the free text, and it can show progress because what it does is it takes your quizzes and saves them so you can see where you're improving and where you need to work on. The multiple choice questions are here, the first image you'll see. Just like any other quiz or test, multiple choice, select, and it'll tell you if you're right or wrong. The free text ones, however, you have to say it out loud and then tell yourself, did I get it right or did it wrong? It holds accountability to the person to learn how to auscultate properly. It is important to note that this application is not intended to replace a medical diagnosis. It should not be used as such. In the disclaimer portion of the app, the creators make it known that this app is for educational purposes only and do not replace the diagnostic tests or for treatment. Ethical issues are not really a concern here because this is only for educational purposes. It does help improve patient care and not replace it or share patient information. Over here on the left side of the screen, you can see the whole disclaimer note stating that this is not supposed to be used as a medical diagnosis. Overall, the app is a helpful tool to help medical professionals better identify heart murmurs, including the location of the chest of where they're at and what they sound like. And it also helps what to expect with these abnormalities. It's very user-friendly. However, it could have improved in more abundant information about heart murmurs, such as signs and symptoms, what you should do if you think you may have it, and or how to get a medical diagnosis, as well as what the treatment plans are for it. The app is also not sponsored by any medical professionals, so as the software developers, they should really look into having some more information to back it, as well as making users question if the information is well guided. The app I think would be good for beginners or someone starting their academic career or for supplementing knowledge about heart murmurs, what they sound like on what a patient and where it would be, but it's not very beneficial in my opinion for advanced practitioners as the information placed on the app about murmurs is not enough for a professional to adequately educate themselves. Heart Murmur Pros is a user-friendly app that can help guide medical professionals on auscultating heart murmurs. It has several heart sounds to listen to and an unclip of what's normal to help compare it to. However, the app lacks more information about heart murmurs, recent medical scholarships, treatment and diagnostic testing, but it does help educate nursing staff as well as medical professionals. And the app overall helps learners use different types of questions to challenge their knowledge as well as provides basic information about the characteristics of a heart murmur. Here are my references for the presentation.